So now let's take a look what happens if you don't use this button here, you don't use the gamma override. It's going to be especially visible with the bump map. So if I change it here, you can see how much the material change. And you will see some very weird stuff, such as this one. You see here? This is very tricky because at a first glance, you could say, well, it works. It looks okay. It looks okay. But if you look closely, you will see some strange thing going on. So it can be very easy to miss that because the material looks all right, but there is already some problem with artifacts here, and you can see the whole reflection has changed. So if we go back to our texture here, and I go back to the gamma here, you can see it changed a lot. And now the artifact we had earlier are gone. Okay, it's going to be the same thing here with our glossiness. So if it's not going to be as shocking, meaning that if I change here the glossiness, it's going to work, but as you can see, this is not the same again. It's not going to explode. Everything is all right, but this is not the material you would expect using this file. So let's enable it again, and we can see here the right material.